Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I'll show you how we can easily disable the cellular data permission for any application or game or whatever you choose. So there are cases in which you have to use an app and you have to open an app and you don't want to maybe just get some annoying ads or something like that. So in most of the games this happens, like if you turn on the internet and play the games, it will just show ads, and if you turn off the internet it's going to delay your notifications or things like that. So in order to fix this, there is a simple way you can do that. So let me show you how. So first of all, go on to your settings application. Once you're in the settings app, so you have to scroll down till you find the option apps. You can click on it. So in the apps, you can do what you can do is select the application or game that you want to disable the mobile data for. So I'll just scroll down, and for instance I'm going to choose a game here. Let's see. So yeah, so we have this game Screw Rescue Master. I'll just click on it to show you. So you can see in here there's an option called cellular data toggle. So if you turn it on, this gives access to the application to use the cellular data. So if you turn it off, it will be defaultly turned on, so you can just turn it off. So what it does is it disable the app from accessing the internet. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.